vigilant companion in monitoring the air quality of communal spaces. In the heart of communities, where people come together to share ideas, celebrate culture, and engage in civic life, the air we breathe is a silent partner in the public health and well-being. Zaire, with a decade of excellence in manufacturing detection equipment and testing instruments, presents a solution that's as essential as the community itself. Their dedication to providing clients with high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is unmatched, and their OEM customization services ensure that every public space can offer an atmosphere that's as inviting as the open door. The public place indoor CO2 detector is not just a device, it's a commitment to creating an environment where every breath supports the collective spirit. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, it helps maintain an atmosphere where every moment is as refreshing as a new perspective. Imagine a public